Okay, example 2, it says simplify. Give your answer using positive exponents. So they don't want us to simplify it. I mean, in the sense, they don't want us to give the number. They want us to give us a base and an exponent. So we don't have to multiply it out. Okay? So let's look at this first one. It says 5 over 5 to the negative third. Okay? Cecilia, what's the exponent of the numerator? The numerator.
One.
That number on top? Okay? So it's 5 to the first. Is it in the right place then?
Yes.
Okay. What about the one in the denominator?
Negative.
Okay, so we need to move it,
Yes.
right? So let's put it on top, right? Okay. What do we have left on the bottom?
One.
Just 1. So can I don't need to multiply this out, but could I write them together? 5 to the fourth over 1, we just leave it as 5 to the fourth. Is that okay? Does that make sense? Good. Now, I'll do B in a different color. Okay? This says, in parentheses, B to the negative 1 to the negative third. Okay? Clay, tell me, what do I do with exponents that are separated by parentheses?
You have to multiply the exponent.
I do.
Distribute.
Okay? So what is negative 3 times negative 1?
3. Positive.
Positive 3. That's it. Good. Let's look at the last one here. Okay? This one is in parentheses. It says 3 and then x to the negative 1 squared. Okay? Now let's deal with the outside stuff first. Okay? Clay told us a moment ago what to do. Taylor, what do I do with exponents that are outside the parentheses? Multiply them in if there's only one term in there. If there's more than one term, I have to distribute that, right? There's just one term in here. Now, before we do that, Taylor, what's the exponent of the 3? 1. Okay? So now, let's write 3. What's its new exponent? 2. And then x, what's its new exponent? Negative 2. Now we have to simplify this because it said positive exponents. Okay? Remember, this is all over 1, right? Do I have anything in the numerator that's not on the right side of the fraction bar? The x. So what about the 3? Is it okay? Okay, so I'm going to leave it as 3 squared. They just said write with positive exponents. You could write 9 if you want, but 3 squared is fine. And then what do I do with this x part? I move it to the bottom, and I change the sign of its exponent, because now it's in the right place. That's it. Done. Okay? All right. Good job on that one. Let's look at the next one.